Hi everyone, this is my latest book, My Toddler's First Words. I'm here in my office and I'm just going to quickly show you a little bit about it. Okay, so this is the table of contents. As you can see, it's divided into 4 different sections. I share in the first section toddler language development basics, so you understand a little bit about how first words develop, how to informally analyze your toddler's language. So there's worksheets in here, so you can write down what words your toddler is currently saying, words that your toddler is not saying, words that are special and important to your family, or things that your toddler really likes. And I explain why that's really important in the book. And then techniques to get your toddler talking. And then the last section is the 30-day workbook, so that you can really take all the information from these other 3 sections and put it all together. So let's just do a quick flip through. Oh, I love these illustrations. They were custom made. And I'm really happy that I found an amazing illustrator to help me do that. So this is the 30-day workbook. As you can see, you can just write in what you did that day to stimulate your toddler's language. And if you don't want to write, something for too long like this, you can just jot down a quick note. Speech therapist who read this book prior to me releasing it really liked this section because they felt that it would make communication easier with their clients. So here is the technique section. This is really, really loaded with information. And this is, if you have read My Toddler Talks, My Toddler's First Words is pretty much like a sequel to My Toddler Talks. So it's really, really has some wonderful information if you're looking for even more content and help to get your toddler to talk. So this is the how to analyze your toddler's language. I should say informally analyze your toddler's language. So you can read this and figure out what words you want to potentially target, words that are motivating to your toddler for him to say, words your toddler might currently say, words your toddler does not say. It all makes sense when you read the book. And then here's just some more information. This first section is all about toddler language development. So important questions to ask. What is a word? What types of words does your toddler say? And that's pretty much it. I really hope that if you're a parent and you're looking for a resource, I really hope that this helps you. I really try to make it easy to read and understand, and my goal is to really empower the reader so they feel good about helping their toddler talk. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.